minding my own business and heading down I-95 when all of a sudden everything slows down dramatically, like from 75 to about 15 or 20 miles an hour. And that's not particularly unusual, but once the traffic ahead cleared, I couldn't actually see why that was happening until a bit later when I saw this happen, where this car pulled in front of this Jeep and just put his brakes on, just jammed his brakes on for no apparently good reason, which I thought was kind of odd at the time. So I hit save on the dash cam and overtook him, didn't really think too much more of it until a little bit later when all of a sudden here comes our guy again. He overtakes me this time, gets in front of me, I-95, and we slow down from about 75 again to about 15-20 miles an hour. I try to overtake him on the left and he moves over and tries to block me. Very interesting that he still indicates, so he obviously is on autopilot. So I do what any sensible Tesla driver would do, which is I use the acceleration of the Tesla to get past him on the right, and I leave him in the dust. Now, having seen him do this twice already, I'm starting to look at, can I call the police and what am I going to do about it? One thing that I thought about doing was just flooring it and disappearing at some crazy speed. But I had Waze running and Waze told me the police were up ahead. So I kept my speed down, and sure enough, here comes the guy again, pulls over in front of me, I-95, I was doing 75 miles an hour, and he gets in front of me, starts braking, and just brings me down to nothing. I mean, literally, I-95 at rush hour brings me to a stop. Well, here's where he didn't do a smart thing. If you look on the left here, you'll see a police car over there just waiting. And the police car's already put his lights on. At this point, our hero decides, hey, maybe I should get out of here. Well, too late for that. Look over on the left here. You'll see the police are off chasing him. It takes him a little while to catch up, and we'll speed through that piece. But up ahead here, look on the left. Here's our guy, been pulled over. And that's the end of his fun and games for the day. I did call the police later and tell them I had all this on the dash cam. They said, don't worry about it. We've already written him a bunch of tickets. They knew exactly who it was.
be like, how come we don't feel like a COH? It's a car.
Whoa! What? Dương không? Không có bị. Có camera ở đây rồi.
When you fall back to sleep with someone new, I'm lying awake just to keep it light up. You're the only thing I can't get my mind up. Trying to
Whoa!
It means an overexcited response to something. Ha!
I'd like to shout out to my wonderful husband Ian, daughter Sarah, son-in-law Chris, gorgeous grandson George, son James and his partner Jamie, Mum, and a very happy night.
Sanders Road right now, about 20 minutes away from you.
Yeah, you're downtown there next to it.
Say what?
Si llueve me queda cochino, tengo otro lado.
Va a llover 3 veces, no, como 3 días. Oh my god! Oh my god! ¡Ay, weón loco! You guys, stupid fucking... What the hell?
Okay.
¿Va a llover mañana? ¿Mañana que llueve?
No sé. Si llueve me queda cochino, tengo otro lado.
Va a llover 3 veces, como 3 días. Oh my god! ¡Ay, weón loco! You guys, stupid fucking...
On the Supreme Court, as justices appear poised to overturn the Roe abortion decision, McConnell says the High Court sometimes is at odds with public opinion, and that's as it should be. NPR's
Fucking asshole. Look at that guy passing in the wrong lane. What's going on there?
Asshole! Fuck you, asshole! I hate people who do that. Now we got on a dash cam.
أستغفر الله وأتوب إليه أستغفر الله وأتوب إليه أستغفر الله وأتوب إليه أستغفر الله وأتوب
Jesus Christ! Bloody horror. What an absolute dick.